Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Stock Market Game. The Stock Market Game is a program that allows students to learn about the stock market by investing in virtual stock. To log into your account, open up a web browser of your choice. Into the search box, type in www.stockmarketgame.org and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of the Stock Market Game. Click on the login button at the top right and then enter your username followed by a password associated with the account. If you don't have an account yet, click the register button and follow through the registration process. Once you create an account for yourself, while logging in, you'll need to type in your username and on the next field, type in your correct password. Finally, click the login button in order to access your account. That is how you can easily log into the stock market game on a PC. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.